What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Karuna Film. Today I got here some delivers here, so that's where we going to unboxing it now. Today azu chala kaji lepsom chala sawa kaji shi ta jinda mana unboxing ji ani some step by step kaji. If you guys new to channel, make sure like, share, subscribe. So now everything's a mess up. These are some box, and this is our TV. Yeah, some here. Now let's go to bedroom. This is the bedroom. Here is our bed. So we're going to start from the bed first. Okay, right now we're going to join all those stuff for the bed. You see, is the headboard. A is the A right here. So first thing first, we're gonna start from the headboard, which is A here, and B. So those three things start first. Okay, so all the tools are here. All the tools what we need is here. Screw here, wheel, and there's so many things here. Alright, let's get started. So our headboards are over there, and the rest of the things here. Here we go.
setting 망치 다래. 여기 니티 세팅 망치 다란래.
그래, 거기
말이 니티.
Alright, so this is the final how it looks. I put the carpet under the bed because it has the wheel. It has the wheel entered. You see. So this is gonna be the stopwatch. Like that. We have to put on the side. This. And one more here. Can you put that? That's it. It's beautiful. See? Fantastic. Now is break time. So we're gonna make a tree giant. So now all the room is mess. Now everything's messed up. After the tea breaks, we're going to fix this one, the nightstand. Two nightstands are here. So now everything's messed up. So this is our bed as well. This is the queen bed, attached bed. So I can open it and then beds over there. Okay, boss. The tea is ready?
It's not ready yet.
How long you take?
About 2-3 minutes.
2-3 minutes. Okay, take your time. Ah, tea is ready. What are you doing? Why are you doing? Puja?
Yes.
So those the tool you need most of the time. You see. And then my drill is here. I don't know where you. Oh. Alright, now it's tea break. Tea break. Cheers, man. Cheers. Bring us good luck, right?
Good luck.
That's a shot on that and the machine, you're a professional machine. Yeah, this guy is a professional chef. Big chef. And the is that is coconut biscuit. Why you busy, man? Come on. Have that. Yeah. Sorry for the mess up. Everything's a mess up now.
Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it. Come on. Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it.
guys, so this is our final setups for now. Carpet, yes, nice things. Thanks for watching, guys. If you are new to channel, please subscribe, like it, share it. It's the perfect size.